Let's have an honest conversation. A lot of women think looking older is about age. It's not. It's about habits. Because I've seen women in their 20s who look constantly drained, and I've seen women in their late 30s who look fresh, luminous, and almost untouched by stress. The difference isn't always genetics. It's maintenance. It's awareness. It's the small things done consistently. Looking youthful doesn't mean trying to look like a teenager. It means looking rested, polished, and soft, instead of tired, harsh, and tense. And there are a few beauty mistakes that quietly add years to your face without you even realizing it. Let's fix them. The first mistake is dehydrated skin disguised as matte. There's this obsession with oil control and matte finishes that has gone too far. When your skin is dry, tight, and stripped, it exaggerates every fine line, every bit of texture, and every shadow on your face. Hydrated skin reflects light. Light creates softness. Softness reads as youth. When your face looks flat and overly matte, it removes dimension. It makes your features look sharper in a harsh way, not a refined way. If your skincare routine is focused only on acne treatments, strong exfoliants, and oil control, you might be slowly damaging your barrier. That tight feeling after cleansing is not clean. It's stressed. You need hydration layered properly. A gentle cleanser, a hydrating toner or essence, a serum that pulls in moisture, a moisturizer that seals it in, and sunscreen every single day. Sunscreen is not optional. Sun damage is one of the fastest ways to age your skin. Hyperpigmentation, uneven tone, dullness, all of it makes you look older than you are. If you fix nothing else, fix your hydration and your SPF. The second mistake is heavy, outdated makeup placement. More makeup does not equal more youthful. In fact, too much powder, thick foundation, and harsh contour can add years instantly. When you heavily matte your entire face, you remove natural light from the high points. When you drag contour too low on your cheeks, you pull your face downward. When you bake under your eyes excessively, you emphasize fine lines. Youthful faces have lift. They have light. They have softness. Instead of piling on product, think strategically. Use lighter layers. Focus on glowing skin instead of full coverage. Place blush slightly higher on the cheeks to lift the face. Keep the under-eye area hydrated before applying concealer. Cream products often blend better into the skin and move naturally with your expressions. Powder is not evil, but overpowdering is aging. Makeup should enhance your structure, not harden it. The third mistake is ignoring your neck, chest, and hands. You can have flawless skin on your face, but if your neck is dry or your hands look neglected, the contrast shows immediately. Your neck and chest are exposed to the same sun as your face, sometimes even more. Yet most people stop their skincare at the jawline. Extend everything downward. Cleanser, serum, moisturizer, sunscreen. Treat your neck like your face, and your hands. They reveal age faster than you think. Dry cuticles, rough knuckles, unmoisturized skin. These details matter. Polish is not just facial, it's full presentation. The fourth mistake is chronic tension written into your expression. Stress physically changes your face. When you're constantly overwhelmed, you clench your jaw. You furrow your brows, you tighten your lips. Over time, those micro-expressions become your resting face. And that resting face can make you look tired or hardened. Youthful energy isn't just smooth skin, it's softness in the eyes, relaxed brows, a calm mouth. Throughout the day, check in with your face. Unclench your jaw, drop your shoulders, take deeper breaths. You would be surprised how much younger you look when your face is relaxed. Calm is attractive. Calm is youthful. The fifth mistake is neglecting your hair health and framing. Hair frames your face more than you realize. If your hair is flat, overly dry, split at the ends, or simply not styled intentionally, it can drag your features down. Healthy hair reflects light. That reflection brightens your face automatically. Sometimes looking younger isn't about your skin at all. It's about adding dimension or softness around your face. A subtle trim, soft layers, slight volume at the crown. Even something as simple as brushing your brows and styling your edges can shift your whole appearance. If your hair looks cared for, people subconsciously assume the rest of you is too. The sixth mistake is posture and body language. This one is so overlooked, but it changes everything. When you slouch, your shoulders roll forward, your neck compresses, your jawline softens, your face looks heavier. When you stand upright, elongate your neck, and hold your chin parallel to the ground, your entire face low oaks lifted. Posture is silent beauty work. It costs nothing, but it transforms how your bone structure presents. You don't look younger because you're pretending. You look younger because you look energized and aligned. Here's the truth. Looking older is rarely about age alone. It's about dryness, heaviness, tension, and neglect. Youthfulness is not about chasing trends or obsessing over perfection. It's about softness, hydration, maintenance, and emotional regulation. When your skin is hydrated, your makeup is lifted, your body is polished, your hair is intentional, your face is relaxed, and your posture is strong. You don't look younger because you're trying to look 18. You look younger because you look well cared for, and well cared for never goes out of style.